Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your go-to channel for in-depth, honest, and insightful reviews on the latest tech gadgets that define performance, endurance, and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into a watch that has been turning heads in the endurance sports world, the Garmin Enduro 3. Built for ultrarunners, extreme adventurers, and serious fitness enthusiasts, this beast of a smartwatch claims to take performance, battery, GPS, and efficiency to a whole new level. If you're someone who lives for long treks or multi-day events, stick around. The Enduro 3 might just be the device that finally delivers. Let's start with what Garmin is really going for with the Enduro 3. It's not just another fitness watch. It's engineered for people who go beyond ultrarunners, Ironman, athletes, and hikers who brave the mountains for days. Garmin took the already impressive foundation of the Enduro 2 and elevated every core feature in the Enduro 3. Especially performance, battery optimization, enhanced GPS accuracy, and smarter solar charging. It's a watch designed not just to keep up with you, but to outlast you. When you unbox the Garmin Enduro 3, the first impression is rugged premium. The titanium bezel, reinforced fiber polymer case, and new ultra-lightweight nylon band scream durability and comfort. Despite its 51mm case, the weight is surprisingly low, especially the titanium solar version, which feels featherlight on your wrist. Garmin has nailed the balance between size and comfort, making it wearable for long durations without causing fatigue. Let's talk performance, because that's where the Enduro 3 really flexes. The watch uses Garmin's latest Elevate V5 optical heart rate sensor. This delivers better accuracy during high-intensity workouts and responds well when you switch activities. It's more consistent during interval training and avoids drops during sprints or strength sets, something past models sometimes struggled with. Then there's the updated multi-band GNSS support with SATIQ. It switches between GPS modes to balance, accuracy, and battery life. Whether you're in the city, forest, or canyon, the Enduro 3 adapts in real time. The results: pinpoint accuracy in tough terrain. It locks onto satellites quickly and maintains a stable connection, even in densely wooded or mountainous areas. For athletes who love data, Garmin delivers. You get stamina tracking, performance condition, recovery insights, HRV status, and acute load monitoring. These guide your training, letting you know when to push and when to rest. The revamped training readiness score is a huge plus. It considers your sleep, recovery, HRV, and training load to tell you how ready your body is. And unlike other platforms, Garmin's data isn't locked behind a paywall. Enduro 3 now supports mapping and topographical navigation, a big upgrade. You can preload maps, follow turn-by-turn directions, and view elevation in real time. The touchscreen complements the buttons, giving fluid interaction during navigation or browsing data. The display remains usable in rain, sweat, or mud. Now, battery life, one of the biggest selling points. The Enduro 3 offers up to 80 hours in GPS mode and 34 days in smartwatch mode with solar assist. For ultramarathoners or adventurers, this is pure gold. You can go days, even weeks, without charging. No other brand comes close. Solar charging has improved Garmin enhanced lens efficiency, making it more productive. It's no gimmick, you'll see real gains in longevity during outdoor use. While it doesn't replace regular charging, it extends intervals, a big help off-grid. Charging is simple and quick. The proprietary Garmin USB cable connects easily, and a full charge takes under 2 hours. But since the watch drains slowly, you rarely worry about charging. Power management shows which features drain battery, letting you disable them as needed. Want to save 10 hours of GPS time by turning off the always-on display? You can dot the watch. Is a solid smart assistant? Notifications, calls, weather, and calendar events all show cleanly. Garmin Pay enables contactless payments, and you can load music from Spotify, Deezer, or Amazon. Bluetooth headphone pairing is smooth. It doesn't fully replace your phone, but it gets close, especially during workouts. Sleep tracking is also solid. Garmin's sleep algorithm gives a detailed breakdown of sleep phases, breathing rate, HRV, and movement. The sleep score is accurate and contributes to your recovery stats. Combined with body battery, it gives you a clear view of your energy levels throughout the day. The sports modes are extensive: running, trail running, mountain biking, skiing, open water, swimming, triathlon, even kiteboarding. Ultra Run mode tracks rest times separately. Climb Pro shows real-time ascent data with grade and elevation info. Perfect for trail runners. Back to GPS quality, because it's exceptional. Dual-frequency GNSS and SATIQ work flawlessly. Whether you're downtown or in the Alps, it keeps a signal. Trails that confused older watches are drawn precisely, even switchbacks. It matters when you're off-grid or reviewing training data. Indoor activity tracking is also strong. Treadmill runs and indoor cycling are more accurate, and strength training benefits from automatic rep counting and set detection. With HR straps or sensors, data depth increases. Garmin makes pairing smooth and reliable. The Garmin Connect app syncs fast and displays your data clearly. You can analyze trends, compare sessions, and share achievements. The app's training plans and coaching offer structure for events like marathons or triathlons. With widgets for weather, sunrise, sunset, moon phases, and altitude acclimation, it's like a Swiss Army knife on your wrist. A couple of drawbacks. The price is high, it's a premium watch, not for casual users. The display isn't AMOLED, so it may seem muted if you're used to vibrant screens. But that trade-off improves battery life and sunlight visibility. There's also no LTE, which would have made it more phone-independent. But overall, these are small trade-offs for a top-tier watch, so who should get the Garmin Enduro 3? If you're a casual gym goer, it might be more than you need. But if you're into ultra running, hiking, endurance racing, or just want unbeatable battery life and rugged reliability, this is the one. It's not just about lasting long, it's about lasting smart. Garmin hasn't just upgraded the Enduro line, they've evolved it. The Enduro 3 is a big leap forward, offering elite performance, smart utility, and unmatched endurance, whether you're chasing the sunrise or conquering a peak. This watch is with you every step, every mile, every heartbeat. Thanks for tuning into Tech Vibe. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive tech content, and ring the bell so you don't miss an upload. Share your thoughts below. Are you picking up the Enduro 3 or already using it? We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay smart, stay adventurous, and keep exploring with Tech Vibe.